Hoagie! Pinkfong! Hee-hee!
Oh, my diamond!
Oldie, did you hear something?
I did. It sounds like my grandma's voice.
Oh,
Grandma, what's wrong?
my diamond is gone!
Diamond? Someone took your jewel?
I just know it's Captain Crab, who lives in the sea village. He loves things that sparkle.
Grandma, we'll find your jewel. Let's go, Oldie.
Yeah, we'll be back, Grandma.
Wow, if we go here, we can meet Captain Crab.
Yup, let's go, Pinkfong.
We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O. We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O.
Pinkfong, do you smell something yummy?
Wow, there's a muffin Ferris wheel over there.
Hi, Pinkfong. Hi, Ollie. Nice to meet you guys. What brings you here?
We're on our way to find the jewel.
Yeah, my grandma lost her jewel. Do you have a friend who can help us?
Me. I'll go and help you.
Thank you. Then let's go.
We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O. We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, where are we?
Welcome to William Hair Shop, where we create elegant hairstyles for you.
Wow, that's really cool.
What brings you here, Pinkfong and Ollie?
We're on our way to find Grandma's jewel.
We have to find Captain Crab, who loves things that sparkle. Do you want to join us, William?
Sounds good. I, William, will join you.
Good luck, guys! We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O. We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O.
A cold wind is blowing. Where are we?
I think it's a skating rink. Everyone is skating here.
Hi, Pinkfong. Hi, Ollie. Where are you going?
We're on our way to find Grandma's missing jewel.
Do you want to join us? Yeah. I'll help you find the jewel.
Thank you. Let's go. We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O. We're on our way to find the jewel. E-I-E-I-O. Wow, so cool! What's that shining over there? Is it a star?
No, that's coming from the sea.
Welcome, guys. This place is the Sparkling Sea. Are you looking for Captain Crab?
Yeah, how did you know?
Do you want to join us?
Yes, yes. I will shine my light for you.
We're on our way to find the jewel. Grandma Shark's diamond!
What nonsense! Grandma Shark dropped this on the road. I found it, so it's mine now.
Captain Crab, what can we do to get the jewel back?
There's no such thing as free. You have to give me something too.
What can I give to Captain Crab?
Oh, I have a muffin! How about a muffin?
A muffin is sweet and soft. It's a very delicious muffin.
How about the scissors I brought?
Oh, goody. In fact, I needed one claw.
I'll give you my red skates.
Good! If I wear these, I'll be much faster.
I'll give you my lamp. You'll be able to shine brightly with this.
Oh-ho! This will help me see better. Very good. With these gifts, I can give you my jewel. Go ahead and take it.
Wow! So exciting!
Oh, you found my jewel! Thank you so much, everyone. My wedding ring has been found.
Huh? You lost something again?
Huh? Oh, it's nothing. Everyone, let's sing and have some fun.
We found the jewel that was gone, E-I-E-I-O. We found the jewel that was gone, E-I-E-I-O.
Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.